Let's write a program to accept base and height or altitude of a right angle triangle and calculate the length of its hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. To store height and base, we have taken two variables a and b. Input statement is used to take input from user at runtime. By default, input command accepts input in the form of string, but to change it into numbers, we must write int before input command. Once we have taken both the inputs, we have to calculate the length of hypotenuse. For this, we have formula hypotenuse square is equal to a square plus b square. But we can't write the same formula in Python because we are not comparing both the sides, but we have to find the value of hypotenuse. So we will write c equal to square root of a square plus b square, where a square plus b square will be inside the bracket, and then we have to do the square root or under root of whole. So let's write the formula. C equal to a into 2 plus b into 2. Into stands for exponential. So a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2, and then we have closed the bracket, taken complete formula inside the bracket, then to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means under root, and a square plus b square whole under root. But here I have made one mistake, and that mistake will come under logical error because I have ignored the concept of baud mass here, or you can say that in computer we say bed mass, that is bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's see the output in this case. So I am entering the altitude as 3, then base 4, and 3 square plus 4 square will make 25, that is 9 plus 16, and under root will become 5, but we are getting answer 12.5. Why is it so? Because we have written to the power 1 by 2, and in bed mass the exponent will happen before division, so 1 by 2 will not be processed first to the whole will be taken as power 1, that means a square plus b square to the power 1 whole divided by 2 it is becoming. Okay, so that's why we are getting 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. So in order to correct this, we can either write to the power 0.5 or we can write to the power and 1 by 2 inside the bracket.